Dude, I can't wait to list this punk that I made. I made a bunch of them, but like, dude, I'm gonna be loaded. I'm just gonna put this on OpenSea and everyone's gonna buy it. I'm gonna be so rich. Why isn't anyone buying these things, man? I put them for 1 ETH and the other ones are stinking selling for like 600 ETH. I don't even get how mine aren't selling. Excuse me. I hate to break it to you, but that's not how NFTs work. I mean, just because you make a CryptoPunk doesn't actually make it a punk. So you're telling me, man, this doesn't look better than a CryptoPunk? Are you kidding me? This is way better. It should be worth so much more. I mean, why in the world are people even buying these things? Just like in the real world, you have fake Rolexes and real Rolexes. How do you tell the difference between those two? So if we go on OpenSea, I'll show you guys the CryptoPunks page right here. If we wanted to view this on Etherscan, we can go directly over to Etherscan and see the holdings for CryptoPunks. As you can see here, this will display all the different transactions, the different token transactions, the contract, etc. What you're going to want to do is go to the CryptoPunks token page. As you can see here, there is a total of 10,000 CryptoPunks. That is the maximum supply. And you can figure out who holds what by going to the holders tab right here. And if you want to see a fancy chart, you can even say, hey, I want to see a token holder chart. And you guys can see here, this is what it looks like. About 53% of this is held by several different accounts, whereas Yuga Labs holds the largest portion. You can verify all this on the blockchain. Whereas with something like this is just a picture that I drew up and it's punk number 777. No, it's not the actual punk 777, but it's just a punk that I drew up. Using the blockchain, that's able to figure out if we have a real CryptoPunk or digital Rolex, digital flex, whatever you want to call it. So using these NFTs, this will allow people on platforms like Twitter, on Facebook, Instagram, whatever, to be able to have their PFP as a CryptoPunk, and people can click on it and it takes them over to the blockchain and shows them which CryptoPunk is actually theirs or which one they have. And the fake ones, well, it doesn't work like that. In fact, what Twitter is doing around each of the profile pictures that have a legitimate NFT, that is the actual CryptoPunk verifiable on the blockchain, they will get a hexagon around their PFP. So you can kind of consider a CryptoPunk or a Bored Ape Yacht Club as a digital flex. So TLDR, NFTs are considered the digital flex. Proverbs 15:33. Wisdom's instruction is to fear the Lord, and humility comes before honor. Be humble.